This journey started back in 1980. At that time, I was running a small 45 square meter workshop, together with my husband, where we still made pasta by hand. Eduardo and I delivered it personally to local restaurants. Even then, it was in great demand. We managed to grow little by little by pursuing a specific goal, combining a craftsman-like approach with large-scale production. Over time, our 3 children joined us. Our family is the sole owner of a company which is now called Surgital S.p.A., based in Lavezzola in Romagna. Here we are already. After all, just 30 years have passed since then.
Surgital S.p.A. extends over 60,000 square meters. 26,000 are used for production and 22,000 for cold storage rooms, kept at -20 degrees, with 6,000 pallet places, which will soon become 14,000. Surgital is the Italian company which succeeded in collecting the value of the great fresh pasta tradition, turning it into a top-quality product available in 9 brands, exclusively dedicated to restaurants, catering, and the bar channel, both in Italy and in the world.
Romagna is the fresh pasta region par excellence. Ravioli, garganelli, strozzapreti, passatelli, tortellini, cappelletti, a great tradition. A tradition which was running the risk of being lost and that we managed to collect and share.
All machines have been designed and modified on the field together with producers so that they faithfully recreate manual processing. For example, the sheet-making machine works slowly and passes several times between the rollers, exactly as happens when pasta is made with a rolling pin.
In 1984, I designed and patented the first automatic machine for producing garganelli. Many copied us later on, but I can assure you that ours are the best garganelli available on the market.
The daily production of Surgital has reached 135 tons of fresh pasta, 60,000 ready meals, and 8 tons of sauces in pallets, with more than 300 products. Surgital sheet pasta is made with 6 eggs per kilo of flour. Only Durham wheat semolina of Italian and Canadian origin with a high content of gluten is used to ensure a better resistance to cooking and to satisfy chefs' needs at any time. Laboratorio Tortellini is the company's historic brand. More than 140 fresh pasta products are available: long, short, filled pasta, special shapes, and regional specialities, baked pasta, and gnocchi. Laboratorio Tortellini was especially developed for restaurants and the catering sector. Divina Creazione, the unsurpassed pasta, is a range in which each piece is different from the other, exactly as in handmade pasta. The sheet is made with 8 eggs per kilo of flour. and fillings are prepared with selected Italian PDO products. From the well-matched ingredients for the filling to exclusive packaging in plateau, all stages are designed to turn this brand into a little masterpiece, developed by Surgital for high-quality restaurants. Pronto Sfoglia is the best-selling sheet pasta brand in Italy and abroad, to the point that it has become synonymous with sheet pasta for lasagna. Pronto Sfoglia blends quality with a high service content, which makes it preferable over similar products thanks to its excellent practicality. The search for raw materials is the first step towards high quality.
We go directly to the production areas to purchase raw materials in order to ensure their quality.
They arrive as whole products which are processed inside the factory. In fact, they are the core of Surgital pasta fillings, and their quality is visible to the naked eye. Our biologists, following the certification standards, check all incoming raw materials as well as all outgoing products, which are also controlled by a metal detector. Total supply chain traceability is guaranteed for each product.
The Research and Development Centre was founded in 2000 to enhance our research, the development of new products and the improvement of existing ones, as well as to ensure quality control. Surgital pasta allows me to choose from a vast range. I can find the product I am looking for, as well as types of pasta I didn't know about, from which I draw inspiration for new recipes. Thanks to Surgital pasta, I can manage many different products at the same time. This allows me to broaden my menu with top quality products. I can count on constant and long-lasting quality. Moreover, the pasta cooking times are very short, ranging from 2 to a maximum of 5 minutes. In my opinion, deep freezing is both an advantage and a guarantee. The advantage is that the product keeps for up to 18 months. The guarantee is that deep freezing makes preservatives superfluous. This is the most natural and oldest method for preserving food products. Today, products are deep frozen in almost all kitchens. The only difference is that we do it using deep freezers, whose technology allows us to go from 80 degrees of pasteurization down to minus 20 degrees of the finished product in not more than 35 to 40 minutes. This process guarantees the product's quality and absolute hygiene over time. Pasta is deep frozen in IQF, which means that each frozen piece is kept separate from the other. This allows me to take only the exact quantity I need. In this way, there is no waste, and I can keep the food cost well under control.
Each eating place has got specific needs. The catering and fast food sectors greatly appreciate products such as Pasta C Soluzioni Express and Sugosi. Pasta C Soluzioni Express is a deep-frozen, pre-cooked pasta made with a mixed water-steam pre-cooking technique, which ensures an even appearance and an amazing resistance to cooking, with much higher performance than any other pasta available on the market. Sugozi is a range of deep frozen sauces in pallets, which can be easily portioned and which make it possible to prepare different meals at the same time in a few minutes. They can be heated in a pan, bain-marie or microwave. The sauces have been chosen from among the most popular and appreciated ones in Italian cooking. Finally, Fior di Primi Linear Catering is a range of ready-baked lasagna and cannelloni, available in 2.5 kilogram packs, serving 10 to 12 people each. A high-quality product with 5 layers of pasta and a very soft bechamel sauce. Ever since 1996, Sogital has conceived a range of ready meals for the bar channel, Fior di Primi. Over 40 products including pasta and main courses. Pasta dishes include risottos and lasagna, which can be defrosted in the microwave in a few minutes. These top-quality products provide bars with significant advantages. Elegant packs, 4 meals packaged in each cardboard box in a fully automated way. Fior di Primi is delivered with updated support material to make sales even easier.
In a way, this is our greatest achievement, a homage to our land and its great cooking tradition. We use this space to host our customers and to organise cooking courses, both with our chefs and with famous Italian chefs. Here we promote research and the culture of fresh pasta.
Every day, Sogital is visited by chefs and customers from all over the world, thanks also to an ongoing marketing and communication activity focused on the promotion of made-in-Italy products. Advertising in national and international magazines with yearly plans, participation in the leading trade fairs and presence on the internet allow us to reach more and more ambitious goals. Equally paramount is the external tasting activity carried out by Sogital in collaboration with distributors, with the involvement of restaurant owners. In this way, the success of the products as well as the target group's requirements can be constantly monitored.
Those choosing Sogital can rely on a widespread distribution network extending throughout Italy, besides the Italian market, which is obviously key for us. Today we export our products in more than 60 countries all over the world. Since we started 30 years ago, demand has increased constantly, thanks to continued investments both in product quality and in the company. Rather than just meeting the needs of the market, we have often been able to anticipate them. We are currently building a fully automated storage room with 14,000 pallet places. Next to it, a warehouse for preparing pallets through picking will also be built. As well as the usual investments that Sogital has carried out in the last years, we have recently thought of investing in energy. We have created 2 plants for electricity production, such as a 6 megawatt tri-generation plant and a 1 megawatt photovoltaic installation.